In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the phone number mandatory in a kit form. We'll walk through the full process from inside your account, so by the end, anyone filling out your form will be required to enter a phone number before they can submit it. This is really helpful if your sales or support team relies on phone follow-ups, or if you just want higher quality leads. First, head into your kit workspace and navigate to the Grow section. From there, go to Landing Pages and Forms and open the specific form you want to update. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right form, especially if you manage multiple versions for different campaigns. Once the form editor is open, look for your existing email field. Just underneath that email field, you'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus icon to add a new field to your form. By default, Kit will probably label this as a generic custom field, which isn't what we want yet. With that new field added, look over to the right-hand sidebar. This is where all of the settings for the selected field live. Find the drop-down that currently says Custom Field and change it to Phone Number. As soon as you do that, the field is now properly recognized as a phone number field, which can help with formatting and validation. Now that you've added the phone number field, let's make it required so people can't skip it. Make sure that the phone number field is still selected in the editor. Again, check the right-hand sidebar and locate the section labeled Field Settings. In that panel, you'll see an option or checkbox labeled Required. Click that checkbox. Setting this field as required is what actually enforces the rule. The form will not submit unless a phone number has been entered. If someone tries to hit Submit without filling it out, they'll see an error message and be prompted to complete the field first. This helps you avoid incomplete submissions and ensures every new contact record includes a phone number. Once you've done that, it's time to save your work and push the changes live. Go to the top right corner of the editor and click Save. Give it a moment to confirm that everything has been stored. After saving, click Publish. Publishing applies these updates to the live version of your website or landing page, so visitors will immediately see the required phone number field. That's it. You've successfully added a phone number field to your kit form and made it mandatory, ensuring every new lead includes the contact details your team needs.